Create a table with the following columns: username, first name, last name, email. Fill in the table with the learner's information.
Attention! To facilitate reading this table, the usernames and first names start with a capital letter. However, the usernames can only contain lowercase alphabetic letters, numbers, a hyphen, an underscore, a period, or an @ sign. Save the file in CSV format. Choose a clear file name, for example, name of the group or of the accordion. Choose the CSV UTF-8 format, comma delimited. Send your CSV file by email to the Moodle administrator or the designated training coordinator, including the following information: the name of the course or cohort, the role of the users, generally learners or managers, any deadlines or important dates, if applicable, details regarding groups or access instructions. How does it work with TSplus Academy? The platform administrator simply imports your CSV file. In one single operation, all users are registered. Result: 100 registrations in less than a minute. Bulk import of users into the training platform. The following operations require an administrator profile or a profile with the appropriate rights and permissions. Navigate to Site Administration. Batch enrollment on the training platform. Click on Users. Click on the link Upload Users. Click on the button Choose a File. Choose the CSV file. Select the CSV file. Click on Open. Click on Upload this file. Choose the number of lines to display in the preview. Click on Upload Users to proceed with data validation. Preview. Check the column mapping, name, first name, email, etc. Review the data in the displayed rows. Identify formatting or content errors. Adjust settings if necessary. These usernames are incorrect. The platform based on Moodle only accepts lowercase letters. The CSV file must be modified and brought again. By clicking on Upload Users, registered learners will automatically receive a welcome email. With the setting Create Password if needed and send via email, each learner will receive an account creation notification email. Their username, for example, Learner97, Learner98, their automatically generated temporary password, the sign-in link to the platform, the first login instructions. The learners automatically receive an email containing their Moodle username, a temporary password, a sign-in link. During their first login, learners will need to set a new password. Each certification obtained generates an authenticatable digital badge. It highlights the skills acquired and enhances the visibility of expertise on professional channels like LinkedIn or email.